In this video, I will show you how to download and install Git in your PC. Firstly, go to Google and type Git install or download. First link should be Form Git. Click on it, or you can find it in video description. Now select your operation system and click on it. I am using Windows, so I will click on Windows. In Standard Installer, select 64, but Git for Windows setup. If downloading didn't start, click on it and select Download Unverified File. Downloading will take a bit of time. When it is completed, go to Downloaded Installer and double-click on it. Select all default options and click Next a few times, then in the end press Install. I am getting error because I already have Git installed in my machine, but for you installation process will start. When it's ended, to terminal and type Git version as I am doing on the screen, and it should display Git version you installed on your computer. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.